Did you know the average employee makes 10,000 copies or prints each year? Costs your company up to $1,200 in printing annually. Wastes 17% of all printed documents. Mismanaged print fleets can cost your company up to 3% of your total revenue. This means that a company with annual revenue of $5 million will spend about $150,000 on document output each year. It's time to ask yourself, how much is my company spending on printing? Our company's managed print services can help your company lower your printing costs, increase efficiency, consolidate your printing, save money. Our highly skilled team will study your business, assess your needs, project your savings, implement a printing plan, and lower your total printing costs. We've helped many local businesses save up to 30% on printing costs. Isn't it time you started saving too? Contact our company today for a free print assessment. Take the first step toward keeping more of your money in your pocket, where it belongs.